Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Imagej now. Make sure the application and Java are up to date, because compatibility matters. Once launched, you'll see the toolbar and menu bar. This is where you'll control everything. Now, locate your image file in Explorer or Finder so it's ready. Then, in Imagej, choose File then Open. This initial action loads the image into the main window. You do this first to establish a working image canvas before any processing or analysis, so go ahead and open the file. Once the file is loaded, you inspect and adjust how Imagej interprets it. If it's a stack or multi-page TIFF, make sure to open it as an image sequence or stack so frames stay ordered. Otherwise, you'll lose temporal structure. Next, check bit depth and color channels under image type and image color. This ensures pixel values and analysis are correct. You also set spatial scale via Analyze Set Scale when measurements matter. These steps guarantee that subsequent processing uses the right image representation. To finish, save a working copy and export in the format you need, because that preserves your settings and makes results reproducible. You can also adjust display with brightness/contrast or apply simple filters before saving. This does not alter original data unless you choose Save. If Imagej cannot open the file, switch to Fiji or use the bioformats importer or convert the file with Imagej. This solves most compatibility issues. Keep a backup before heavy edits so you can always revert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.